On the last day.
Jesus, is this not blood? Huh? What happened?
School petunia. Oh, Mwemu. Patube. Ogbosko. What are you guys doing outside?
We are playing.
Very good. I have to go to work now. Time have go. Do you understand?
Okay.
I'll buy something for you guys.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.
What are you supposed to do outside?
We are playing.
Oh yeah, get up, take your younger ones inside, find them something to eat and prepare them for school. I'm going to the market.
Okay. Corners and to go and piazza. Come, let's go and piazza.
Hello, children.
Sir.
How you guys doing now?
Sir.
Oh, I can see you guys can play, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where's your dad and your mom?
They are not at home.
Oh, they're not at home.
Yes.
I should join you guys to play now. Let's play together.
Yes.
Okay, come, let me play with you. You guys will play.
Okay.
Hey, God of mercy. Hey! But at least, before we look for money, the children we want to take care of with the money, we should always make sure they are in proper hands.
You guys should dance now. You are just looking at me.
Mr. DJ, why is this party so dull?
I'm trying my best.
If you are not informed, you are deformed. Have you not heard of where they pick car by Shayon Flex?
School petunia.
Play it, it's a tactical music.
Okay, all the way from Michigan to Chicago. Materu chapter 2, Mr. IT. Zeee money FOB records. Sean Flex on the MRC. Oh yeah, wait the picker. And let's get to that dollar. Aboki de for corner. Our boys Tigaja. Oh yeah, wait the picker. And let's get to that dollar. Aboki de for corner. Our boys Fedara. Mama no kere. Chakamu shakara yeah.